In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image on Google Slides. Cropping is a quick way to clean up a photo, remove distractions, or focus your audience's attention on the most important part of an image. The best part is that Google Slides makes this simple, and the crop is non-destructive, which means you can always adjust it later. Start by launching Google Slides. Open it in your web browser or the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once it's open, select the presentation you want to work on so you're taken to the slide deck. Make sure you're in editing mode rather than presenting. If you see a preview or presentation-only view, switch to editing so you can interact with elements on the slide. On mobile, that typically means tapping the pencil icon. On desktop, you're usually already in the editor when you open a file. Next, navigate to the slide that contains the photo you want to crop. Click or tap the image once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border with small blue handles around it. If you accidentally select a text box or another object, just click the photo again to highlight it. With the image selected, find the crop icon. It looks like two overlapping right angles. On desktop, you'll see it in the toolbar at the top. On mobile, it appears in the bottom toolbar. Tap or click that crop icon to enter crop mode. The selection border will change to show black crop handles at the edges and corners. Now drag those black bars to hide the parts of the image you don't want. Pull in from the left or right to trim the sides or from the top or bottom to adjust the height. Using the corner handles lets you crop diagonally and fine-tune both width and height together. As you drag, watch how the visible area updates so you can center your subject or align important elements with the slide layout. A good tip is to leave a little breathing room around your subject so it doesn't feel cramped. When you're happy with the framing, tap or click anywhere outside the image on the slide to save your crop. That confirms the change and exits crop mode. If you change your mind, use undo or reselect the image and press the crop icon again to readjust. Remember, the original image remains intact behind the crop, so you can reveal hidden parts later without losing quality. That's it! Launch Slides, open your presentation, edit the slide, select the image, hit crop, drag the handles, and click away to save. Clean, quick, and effective.